Nobody can force do for do what we want. All we know we turn attack. No blood clot body can. Don't add me. Call do I ask him. Don't mind you for call do I ask do it. I don't want to know not about you and do it. Are you for stop pretend? You take married man and feel like say you can't abandon me. You not do abandon me. You have to take him forever. Everywhere we go, they just a shout out do it. You have to come live. You know bad. You have to come live, you know, for the start. Come live. Stop type. Show me how bad you is. You have to stay behind fake page. You're an idiot. You have to class me over Mr. Scarlett, my husband. Come no man. That's a queen. Oh, no, no bad. For the rest of your life, I'm going to haunt you. Because if you hear my song, do it, do it, do it. You're going to wish you can't stop Queen from say that. And me make that name. You hear that? And me give him that name there. So you gotta have heart attack. In our heart, in our heart. Move on a blood clot. I 5 penny mail for one man. I made him there 22 years. And you can't chat to me. Life, whatever life come with you, have to live with it. Whether you like it or not. You ever pass and smell one stinking shit yet? Can't stop when you're not in control. You pass and you smell one dead dog, you can't stop your nose from smell what you for smell. Move on a blood clot. My hot girl, top girl, never a flat blood clot girl. You idiot? I am the fucking queen and the queen of rain. Lovely queen lady gangster. The world love me. Yeah. Only look a second and China blood clot blush. Where? You know when you have a China figure read them, we used to buy them at the wholesaler town and them chip up. Move on to China, chip up blood clot. And leave me and my married life. No can dictate my fate. Me, you and I do can't dictate your fate. When God said, that happen. And when Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. See my daughter dead and gone. I couldn't tell God say nothing make she dead. Me have to live with that blood clot like that whether I like it yes or no. Alright, let me say yes about my pitney them now because this technical. 5 kids for Lamar from Tottenham. That fuck young girl. You want talkie. Alright, you're gonna get black now. You mentioned me pitney them. Come back power and fake page. Alright? You don't want to come live. We need for black car. Big man, please let him go. Stop faking that for your fans. Alright, baby, may I let him go for you? I'm not even about that black here. Come make we talk. Trace me and talk. I make my answer you. Alright, today today was the 11th of September 2023. May I go let him go? I'm not about that black car. Type. Type no man. Me I go left him and what happened when me left him? He might take my advice with him. Yeah, mama, black car. Why? You take do it too. I only pound to take do it. Only pound. Some of women know and some of men don't know yet. But we know in due time. And some I might never know. Some close, some far. When I do it alright, you know. My black car already. She have to come back with her next fake page. She gone, man. All me I tell you, I hope you married. I hope a man hold you down the island trick you. Because if I have a married blood clot trick your word. You know what it takes to take somebody I married and give them the name? You need to go make somebody trick you. Yeah, man, anybody pass them place, they might get black. Morning royal crazy is what happen. So nobody know how to come live with me. They're not gonna left me alone because they have to plug them charger in I mean. My energy, you know. My energy. You saw me cry this morning, I will come back alive and happy. Fuck that. Don't mind them. No, them feel like when them tell me so. Me look some type of way and me I go drop them and dead. Under the 9-year crosses I go follow and all our crosses are the part me and do I go take on a dirty blood clot. Yeah. Everything in our life is great. Marriage, boyfriend, girlfriend, baby father, baby mother, best friend. Everything in life is fucking great until it come with all kind of lateness. Seriously asking Queenie where is Dewey. That he must sleep. He's sleeping. What else you wanna know? What else you wanna know, my dear? Hey, liberty come through blood clot carelessness, you know. Right now, when I try to tell you that my arms stink na blood clot. Think, sniff. Ooh. When me today in the hospital 2 weeks, I got to pussy clot. Week I had I got my could talk. I'm more twitch up so. I never have a business with you. I'm a smile me I worry about. I have me can't talk back. I see me I talk back. I sniff out on this man. But I feel good when I cuss me over my husband. You see. Then my husband, my heart plus blood clot, taxing off a class, my dirty blood clot, morning, noon, and night. If you can't eat no breakfast, lunch, or dinner. When you can't sleep, when you can't piss, or you can't rascal at night. If one in a class, me. Then me not great. When I must be idiot. Always me no love you, Yvette. Always me no remember when to put the class when I make video about me. Always me not watch, you know. So am I not great? I'm fucking great, mate. I'm one of the greatest. Me have to take everything for joke. Me not in control of people. Me not in control of people, you know. Any blood clot thing on the one type. I say anything on the believe, I saw it go. I saw it go plus tax. But it will create that I eat that question. You're great. Thank you when you're coming back to England. Maybe I'll today. Anytime I want to go back to England, but I go back right now. The EP soon drops. If somebody has said something positive, yes, you are great. Oh, thank you. I am in. Oh, let me tell the idiot them something. You look stupid, dumb though, yeah? You see the way I love myself and see where I come from and where I reach when you're coming to Brooklyn. I don't have a Brooklyn visa. I pay people, trick me, so them I get visa for me, I don't know. Don't mind blood clot them. You see the way I'm frightened over myself and so I'm reaching a life, I don't give a fuck. Then me could have take up, if if 3 million I don't trouble me, I can't answer 9 I don't know. Out of 3 million. Love from Alan, yeah. Queenie, you're pretty. I like. Hey, you said, yeah, when you say sell up, me so much fret. Remember my face and my ID. I said, Bumbo Club, me entertainer. So I said, I go to the mass. I forgot cover over here, sir. But it a come on, look then. I'm telling us I have good skin. Move on a dirty blood clot. Did you get ticket? Better you buy in advance. That's sure. Love from Boston. Thank you, love. One queen in the deck. All right, just I got I'm for be righteous now. All in my ball and cause the right time, the right ticket, and the right price will come. No matter what you want, access straight out of St. Thomas. Oh, St. Thomas! Run away from them. Straight out of St. Thomas. How great is our God. Run away from demons. Amen, 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 amen. How great is our God. How great our God. Somebody now come sing for me, please. Somebody come and say a song for me or something. How great thou art, then sings my soul. It's true, everywhere you go, they shouting how do it, do it, do it! That's a do it! But this is a blood clot with one do it, my husband. He couldn't like me, he couldn't care about me, he couldn't ras clot, married to love me. It's my day. He married to me. Ah! None of blood clot and can't stop that. It's up already. That I do it. Everywhere we go, them just show, don't do it, do it, do it. One man to me goodie. That I do it, that I do it, that I do it. Make a girl step to me. Do it asleep. If she bad, she must end up in a body bag. Me not trouble, not a body. I mean, them are cause, when I cause the
Oh, my aunt. Good morning, my aunt. Good morning, my one queen in the deck.
Mm,
I came on here to basically tell all the haters, go and jump off of a building. One
yes.
queen in the deck.
Thank you, no
Everywhere
matter
she goes,
which
she,
one
you
of
know,
shuffle it.
everywhere she go, you guys are shouting
Do
out, Dewey,
it, do
Dewey,
it, do
Dewey.
it, do
Keep
it.
streaming the Bumbleclot song, uno haters, uno
Yeah.
quick, uno keep streaming. You understand? One queen in the deck, she reigns forever. We do not care that you guys are hating. We're gonna continue to watch. We're gonna continue to pay for the EP. We're gonna continue to
Amen.
support Queenie, and you
I
guys can
receive that in the
stay
mighty name of
mad. You
Jesus.
guys can stay mad.
Amen.
God has got your back, Queenie. You're
Amen.
hotter
Thank
than hot,
you.
baby girl. I love
Mm.
you so much. I gotta go to work. I love you everywhere them go. Them just a show
Come
to do
to
it.
do
Hey,
it, do
bumbo clap.
it.
Double tap, just a double tap. A double tap, a double tap. Uno can't stay mad. Uno can't stay mad. Bye,
Have a
Queenie. I
lovely
love you
day.
so much.
Thank you, baby. Have a lovely day at work. Thank you.
Thank
Keep
you.
on.
Okay, I will. Bye.
Bye. Girl power strength. Say yes, car we're blessed. Say energy, the man. Yes, good. Anyone else want to come and say hi to the queen? Just come on the scene. When I could speak over my husband, true love of my husband, I'm excited over my husband. It's not my fault, say I'm not excited over me. A phone and him fault that. My business is that my husband. Stone the God, stone where stone the God, them up at sense and my stone the God, stone your God, stone your God, stone your God, stone your God, send them my stone your God, stone your God, stone your God. Blessed love. Move on a dirty blood clot and leave me and my husband alone. He never married to none of them. Where? Now it's forget after marriage. We're supposed to fight over my husband, force him to stay with blood clot because he married to me. Friday, you know what happened? You can't marry to a great blood clot over the expect him to go run. I'm going to run him down. Mm-hmm. Girl, power, run, run, do we run? See, Queenie, come, run, do we run? Run, do we run, Queenie, come, run down him dirty blood clot. It's okay to be natural. Thank you. That's so nice. See? Who said that? I'll tell officer, sir. Character. Love your husband. Let them show. But them go and leave me and my husband alone. I don't give a fuck what no one says. It's my husband. I don't business with a fool no husband or no get I wanna have. It's my husband. But to do it, my husband, I may alone get him name on paper. Ha ha ha. I Queen Power from Toronto. Hello, Toronto. Diva forever queen from one queen to another queen. Queen, you just confused that do don't want to. Wow. That's why me want him, darling. Duh. You are confused. You just can't cope that the fact that do don't want me and want him. And that confuse you. You're so confused to say a woman sit down blatantly with 396 people saying that she wants a man. Are you confused, baby? You can't believe it. Look into my eyes. My husband that move your dirty blood clot for better for worse. I own a ramp with it. Hmm? I own a ramp with it. Me? Hmm? I own a ramp with it. All if you been a rascal, Jericho have a husband. Yeah. Yeah, but when you go to Canada, you will get rid of me. And then have enough to deal with it. Read it, the fundamental, I said confused. So that's how when I say, at the same thing, I say, girl, my list. You understand clearly what I said. I say, you confused. Because you can't believe I sit down blatantly, so daring and dry and stubbornly, know that the man don't want me, can't stand me, but I still love him. It's my husband, my dear. Yeah, that's what confused you. Oh, I confess. Confess, not confused. Oh, I'm a confess. What are you talking about, darling? All right, tell me again. Confess. What am I confess about? Confess, not confused. Okay? May I go too fast? Yeah, I know there's a difference, but I never had a thing about confess. I want to confess about, darling. Refresh my memory. Let I address the situation if I want to. Go on. What did I confess about? He does. He does want you, Queenie. Don't say that. May I entertain the Kapachi them where I jump on my feather, the nasty nigga them, where up on my fender. And then may I just back up, back up, back up, back up, may I back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up the argument. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Ask the people them on the live when they know when they. Husband is a big name, you know. My wife is a I'm looking great, thank you. Somebody said me used to look good. Oh, I remember earlier on, but if address a comment then. Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea, baby girl. There are stages in life, darling. You have to understand that. Sometimes you put on some concept on your belly big because at night you want to look flat and you want to stop your breath. And you want to look upright. And sometimes you just let go the belly. I say go, baby. But like that, I wait a minute, see that. Anything with Santa Master, man. You should say, me not see it. A true man, a warrior queen for true man. God bless me. You know, so I put Nanny in a song. Yeah, 7 national hero, 6 man, 1 girl power, Nanny Maroon. Me not see the Santa Master. It passed me. What's my customer over my husband? I'm fully. It's my husband. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Queenie have a husband, Queenie have a husband. I am a wifey, Queenie have a husband. Queenie have a husband, do we? Queenie have a husband, do. Queenie have her the husband, do it, do it. That's a do it. Move on the blood clot. No, no, nothing sang for the man. No, sing song for the husband. Everybody sing. Where? I'm one of the greatest, my dear. Don't hate the queen. Married! But TC, rebel and pretty there. I wear dollar them there. Married! Yeah, Mr. TC, rebel one time and pretty. I do something. I said, married. And I end dance, girl, Paul. All right. I'm going to be a darling later. My arm so I'm soon going to be to love your friendship with even true friends. And thank you. Even like this to me. Thank you, my darling. Because your heart is intended are always pure. Goodness will always continue to follow you. Live the life God give you and continue to pray and cover your marriage. Thank you. That's a big comment. Jesus Christ, may I have date with my mother. May I have to go away. Canada wait for me. May I wait from Canada too. Thank you. Your mother, your father, your man are no waste. Your mother, your father, your man, your family, them are waistband. Move on a waistband family blood clot and go and leave my husband alone. Go dirty bongo. Go look for Amari. You stink like Amari house. Where? Go mix up with Amari, but come off of this other side of my husband. Move on a dirty blood clot. Leave my husband alone. Stink. You stink like my left arm. You cuss it all body, you know. Because I sit down righteous and work. Righteous we can't sit down and make millions. Move on a blood clot. Alright, just the Father God want me for that. When Jesus said yes, we could have deal to blood clot, I want me for the body. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. March to your married queen. March on Woman's Burger, St. Thomas Paul Burger. Yeah, I'm married for my husband's birthday. Where? I him tell me for married for his birthday. What you did there? When Chad about the deal at such a cost? Yes, anything yesterday, baby. So what happened to that? You want me and him, you want me and you cuss? Let me and you cuss. Screen go and shower. But I love you, come shower me. Wash out my body crease. And a little culture when I'm a toenail. Use all the teeth and dig them out. I don't give a fuck. So, cause anybody may want blood clot cause some money don't have no good intention. So anything my spirit take up, I eat my work with. Then I ask God for forgive me after. I not take no blood clot check. So my hide skip from my hide. I hide and shame. I hide. Yes, when me not blood clot hide, me not hide. So the boy do me in February. I went there now. I think him that there every day because my whole blood clot family I want them for dead. And him shitting in my yard and in class me and say him done me. How would this same blood clot way upon this? Hmm? And the fittest survive upon this. You hear that? No for no come upon this ass clot clout. I want to get clout and you can't take blood clot clout. It's my real and raw and pure and you can't deal with blood clot. My energy too strong for now. Then I see my pitney dead and me lie down in the blood clot grave and try go in there. Lie down on top of my grave. I look for me. 2 years after. I want to know, an idiot. Long live the Queen, man. Long live Queen Lady Gangster. I shall live as long as I want. I never want as long as I live. And I may make cockroach in my blood clot house. Because if you never know about cockroach, you couldn't talk about cockroach. So you see cockroach somewhere. Cockroach supposed to in my house. If it's not cock is a end blood clot roach, some roach have to in my house. And I me make roach. How's me I'm relationship. You know, Amara don't know whether she love me or she hate me or she want to be with me or not. I'm a girl, man. Now that's why I'm not kick down her dirty blood clot on stage. I pity her. You can't be cruel to dumb animal. No, me, you know, with my hyperactive self, no, for like, I pretty mother there, no, flat my career. And I idiot, you know, so much people book me. I know how much money I make. I want to big up my money, I never found I get none, and I go. With enough money, thank God. But proud of myself. So when I look on a bomber clad termite, and I come like hard life at Jamaica. Jamaica hard life. Not fears me, I can't still on this blood clot. I don't have my band. With nothing, barefoot. Yeah. You know, you're bad, poor. How poor were you? Bad, poor. You know, work out how bad it blood clot is for myself. That is my body. Check the ratio, man. Hi, Megs. Morning. Nice, Megs. Come here, Megs. She looks so cute. Hey, pretty girl. It's Grandma Queenie. You're going to school now? It looks nice. Brown. Alright. Brown is my favorite color. Are you tired? Alright. It's not so rough, my blood clot is it? Nice. From me, I tell me I can't quote that tree, maybe younger, you know. You know, coconut tree now, no limb. You can't lend me back. Straight as the light post. Not even light post. You can't lend me. Can light. Right, pretty, thank you. Later. Sun hot, the light post. Yeah, later, you Megs. She cute, but all nice, after me think I be them, I say pretty though. Watch her go. I me go. Look that. I love Queenie and fuck. Me see them right so. Oh, don't look at them. Me see them right so pretty. Hear me not true, me I do summer. Hear me now. Thank you. When me take a stack, I like a girl. Some of you know look pretty too. Oh, God. No, they look a girl. Look. What? But pretty. But pretty too. Oh. But pretty before I look a girl because I'm born before her. My confidence level different. Intelligent interview and oh, thank you, Fayadeen. That was an intelligent interview. Yes, how poor were you? Oh, how poor were you? Bad poor. Bad poor. I love Queenie for Queenie fool. My pretty plus tax. Thank you, Shippy. One come. I cannot. Debbie, what, man? You still there, Jamaica? I don't get a Gideon. I'm not giving all of this and no time. Move on a blood clot and leave on my Dutch Jamaican people them. It's down here, my mistake, so I'm glad me band down here and then go find go grow. Mixed culture. Half of Jamaica and half of England and a little turn in the world. Let's just call it strength of a woman. Thank you. Me the true definition of everything with that woman. Yeah, man, me everything. My strength, my ball, my cause. I preach, I care, I sing, I dance, I counsel, I cuddle. I'm just beautiful. From my heaven I come over. Love you, Queen, and thank you. Anyway, I'm here now. You there, England, Debbie? Yeah, I'm still down here. Thanks for all the comments. Yvette, thanks for all the comments. I like that. I wish I was there in Jamaica. I hate this place. England depressing, don't mind blood clot. I'm actually can't get a little money, but I'm glad I can't make money anyway. Fuck England, no fuck off and leave me alone, England. Yeah, thanks for all the comments. Yeah, feel me even. Thanks for all the comments. Me no like. You know like Jamaica, that's your business. No business video. I love, I like everything. I eat down here, I love down here, I annoy down here, I'm excited down here. I'm every blood clot thing for down Jamaica come. It is my country. Yeah, man, England depression. Who did she block me so I can't respond to the who block who? It was for the best. They miss see you and do it. Oh, Mr. Dewey asleep? Why not leave Dewey alone? Honestly, everything I put on Instagram. When me not put nothing on Instagram, I know why I put it on Instagram. Why are you questioning me of what I am not telling you? Hmm? Do not talk and I won't lie to you. If I don't say, don't talk. You understand? I stick back in on the ears. You want trouble me? Mm-mm. Why not trouble me? Be able to look at self. Bless up. Morning. Hello, vagina. For Monday, I pussy for Monday. Yeah, vagina. Yeah, vagina. For Monday, you see when Sunday come down Monday morning. So yeah, man. Better things if you talk every minute and I just want do it. It's my page. Appreciate me, man. My character, I mean, I couldn't know do it and I just step on, do that. Don't tell you such a thing. Do it. I'm not telling her no about do it. Load that now, no, man. Talk about me. Alright, wanna tell me some video you wanna remember about me. Alright. Tell me which video you like about me. I don't know for the post them to my story. Someone have some little memory. Send them to my mention, make me repost them. Do something. A little long time video them on and say, boy, I love Queenie for this time. I not bother like Queenie. No, it's this one, the light. Yeah? When I post some video about me, post them for my story and I must have little clips. Long time little memories them. Yeah? Remember, you know? I'm a vice and I fall in love with Queenie, you're too big and careless. Like your mama pussy tongue. When your father that fuck your mama a careless, your big thinking mama that careless. And your father dig out her dirty blood clot. A good little a married dog. Move your dirty blood clot. Crosses the fire, your big pussy mama. Careless like your big pussy mama. Enough. You big and blood clot careless are your mama. If you never blood clot careless, all a blood clot way over your careless. And your mama first careless. I like me I tell me that. If your mama never fuck your pooper, you would come here to come tell you. You would do about carelessness. Move your fuck out blood clot. Yeah, your mama fuck out like Queenie. I'm glad my mother can't beat me. Say, don't carry my name to my mother. Who have that video there? Post it. Don't carry my name to my mother. She knows I have stay. Move on a dirty. You can your mother dead for your one. You don't know your mother. So she not here. Bride. Love from Trinidad. My mouth the past spring. We're ready for cussing the blood clot. Come. Let's cuss. Trouble me. Me not black on me. I cuss no. Come. Trouble me. So I know they not tell me nobody can cuss like Queenie, you know. Sikaram is in prison in the UK. Yeah, I'm get 3.5 years and soon come on. Freedom is a must, Sikaram. You need to come give me some more song, but you the run left me. You see it? If you would fuck yeah, cuss for cuss. Sikaram, if you did stay with me and a bully me, I'm glad but hey. It's ever telling me I love Queenie, you know. Oh, me not sell my blood clot soul. For my spirit not circle this up, yes, when the man said to me, say, Mr. Sikaram, with all due respect, me a chimbers, me a talk, watch there. Watch a cold bum tell me, Mr. Sikaram, with all due respect, me a tremble, me a talk to you, man, you know. Take deep breath, Queenie. Mr. Sikaram, with all due respect, don't talk about my daughter, you hear me? Me have to talk about Rara. Rachel coming at everything. It's an I hear him say something, just get up out of the blood club. You say, no, why you talking about that? She can yeah, mama. I love ball. From a little bit, I love ball. I don't know what to tell them about stop, man. Fuck it. The moon shine down. Take off your clothes and get here. Queen of the comments is black man. Queen of the haters are in the comment. Alright, me not black them, I cuss them. Girl, run down your husband, yeah. Yeah, me like that. No, trouble me, you know, make me trouble in the back. Trouble for trouble. Only trouble, me and me trouble in the back. Big up yourself. Thank you, Psycho Bunny Pitney. Yeah, sick of rhyme. I said the man angry me. After me just want the man to call me. I said to myself, the man just said, Queenie, come finish the meeting. The man started some whole heap or something. A wicked people alone. Them must be blood clot wicked. Them now are wicked. Me look like an idiot here. Me every blood clotting, me wicked, me dangerous, me awful, me terrible, me disgusting, me annoying, me vulgar, me sweet, me nice, me care, me loving, me beautiful. I want to blood clotting, me every blood clotting girl. Me have to put on my wicked girl blood clot when me wicked. And wicked it up on a dirty blood clot. What you think alone make the world? Hmm? Wickedness is a part of the dirty blood clot world. Move your dirty blood clot. Wicked like your dirty father. Your father would fuck the woman and thief her blood clot house and bury her in the cement. In blood clot wicked. Me not kill nobody in my life yet. God forbid that cut and clear. Because nobody knows tomorrow can be. You can kill her somebody by an accident. God forbid that. Move your dirty blood clot. Your father wicked. But thief the woman house and cement her. Go look for the woman body. Move your dirty blood clots. I'm not time for me because my freestyle. None of blood clot in the care management. God make me cantankerous. I'm telling you now. So when I lick a bit, and they used to call me green lizard, a button be a center mass. And I'm a little green for come over every day. There's a zinc pan of blood clot water me have for me. And 6 girls I go to school. And then, green lizard, come here. Move your dirty blood clot. I'm a doubt if me to reach 10. I would trouble my queen. Glenn, I will for people trouble me. I'm going to channel me trouble myself. If it's a hide from me, no. Watch me we have date with my mother in the next half an hour. Yvette, call mama. Queenie, I look stressed out. Yeah, I'm stressed out and tired. But I'm still there. Anger, I can't go do it. That's the greatest blood clotting. Some man are stressed and can't move. Some man are stressed and can't talk. Free do it. Tell do it free me. Tell a friend do it for free me. I'm a queen. And the scene. I him for free me. Now up next you can play 3 ways to start with 3 games. And first winning pick 3 is 3. Love you. Thank you. Somebody say free do it. Somebody say freedom. Queenie make me laugh. I am serious. You know if you say somebody, don't press somebody if you say what them no want. Say you say what you want. You say free do it because you want to do it to be free. Don't speak for anyone. The second winning pick 4 number, we have 6. The third winning pick 4 number for the early bird draw is 0. I want to leap at something to my draw. Yeah, late. You never come school last year. I will leap at catch up. I will leap at catch up. Move your dirty blood. Move your dirty blood clot. Will you accept a divorce? You're too fast. Do not question big man. Me is not sad. I don't know if I'm nowhere. Do not come on internet and ask me about my marriage business. I will not answer. That is for me to know and you to find out. Go ahead, move.